I'm going to show you how to thread this vintage Husqvarna sewing machine. On the side you can start by adding the thread to the bobbin, and as you can see you have some hooks where you can guide the thread, and here you have the tension for the thread, and then you just twin it around the bobbin and put it on this black small pin, and then you can press on the gas pedal and watch the bobbin fill up. Cut the thread. Now you can put the spool on one of the pegs, and then you have several hooks you should follow. And here you have the thread tension. You should go in between here, and then you have some more hooks you need to go around. It's important that you use all of the hooks that guides the thread, or else it won't work as it should. And when you come down to the needle, you should have the thread quite straight, and you need to cut it to go straight into the needle from the front. Catch it at the back, and then it should go under the presser foot. The bobbin should look like a number 6, and then you put it into the bobbin house, and then you need to guide the thread into this place where the thread has some tension, also to hold it in correct tension. And then you should place it inside here with the tip upwards on this model. Hold the upper thread, and then you use the hand wheel and you guide the needle down, and where here you can fetch the under thread so it comes up. But then it should go under the presser foot. And hopefully your machine has all the parts with it. Here you see the mechanical wheels. The first one is for guiding the seams, and then you have the seam length and seam width. And the small button is for backstitching. And hopefully now your vintage machine will work great for you. Please visit my Patreon for more sewing tips and sewing patterns. Sew for Kids.